In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a direct sales in SAP Business One. And we have a sample of this transaction which says sold shirts to Mr. James Carter. This is a new customer on credit. It's not mentioned that they have placed an order and then we have delivered the items. Maybe that they have agreed on the regular delivery every single week. So the formal procedure of ordering every time doesn't need to be followed. Let's see how we can enter this. To enter a direct sale, we head over straight to sales and directly click on AR invoice. But since this is a new customer, this cannot be found in the list. So press tab, see the sequence, what we already have. We have the following sequence up to C500. So let's create a new customer on the code of C600. Click on new, C600. The type is customer and the names is Mr. James Carter. I'll copy it, paste it right here and hit enter. We can fill on the rest of the details later on. We are selling the shirts. So press tab, select shirts. The quantity is 500 and the rate is 400. Quantity is 500 and unit price, you can see a very different price here. That's because this is mentioned as a cost price. But let's say that if you have the price list of sales price fixed, what you can do to convert it, just right click on here and go to the form settings, and from here, price list should be changed to sales price. Click OK and you will see the price update here. Click yes and the price will update. But since this assignment is not determined or defined according to the price margins that we set in the price list, so we have to manually give the retail price. That is 400. Discount is not there. So if you want to disable any field, you can just again right click on the form settings and we just uncheck the discount. Here it is, uncheck, click OK. It's not compulsory. It's your choice if you want to disable this. So all set. Just make sure the totals are correct. Here we can see the totals is not correct because the unit price needs to be 400 instead of 500. So 500 is the quantity, 400 is the rate and 200,000 is the total. All set, click enter, hit yes and make sure that it is saved successfully. Go to the last record. We can right click and check the journal entry effect. That should be receivables to sales and cost of goods sold to inventory. So that is how you can enter direct sales in SAP Business One. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.